Fear and anxiety in the minds of Arecanut farmers as nearly 50% of the crop in the state has got damaged due to heavy constant rain. Arecanut is one of the cash crop on which a lot of families depend across the state, and this will have economic impact on farming community in the major parts of Sange, Sankli, Satari, Bicholim, Perne, Ponda. The continuous rains over 2 weeks have affected different crops in Kulagar. It has led to more than 50% loss of Arecanut in Dabal area despite of good management practices and timely Bordeaux spray. The farmers should receive crop loss compensation in lines to paddy farmers. And these farmers have been requesting for weather-based crop insurance and would even be ready to pay part of the premium. Steps the government assures to take.
Director of Agriculture instruction to the Speaker, sir.